For the 5th time, we are racing at the World Mixed Team Relays. 20 teams, the biggest we have ever had, in front of the largest crowd, 250,000 people. It's a 300-meter swim, 1 woman, 1 man, 1 woman finishing off with the final anchor man. And here they come out onto the course. It is a group of about 7 or 8 coming together very quickly up front. Sarah Gruff from the United States. Jody Stimpson also doing a great job through those early stages as well. Andrea Hewitt putting the Kiwis in a great position. Look at that great shot. Off the bike, it's 2 loops, and then out onto a 1,600-meter run. They'll come through the transition twice on the run course. And look at Sarah Gruff. She is really pushing the pace. Jody Stimpson up front as well. What an incredible British team with the 2 Brownlee brothers as well. Ben Canute from the United States and Allie Brownlee going into the water. There goes Aaron Royal. They're very tightly bunched together. These guys have absolutely exhausted themselves. Look at those jumps. Very tightly bunched as they come to the end of the 300-meter swim. Ben Canute from the United States. Alistair Brownlee flying on the front end of this bike. Brownlee just ripping it up out there. A group of about 4 men trying to hang on. Brownlee now onto the run, and he absolutely put a massive gap. That was Non-Stanford leading out onto the bike course solo, but unfortunately she went down. You can see her bike on the side of the road right there while riding solo. Non-Stanford out, so the great British team unfortunately out. John Brownlee not going to have a chance to race and repeat as world champion. And out onto the course, the Germans working so hard with Annie Haug and handing over to the Germans. They were back in 2nd place chasing down Cameron Dye. You can see Dye up there from the United States, the swim bike specialist, trying to hold on as the Kiwi Ryan Sisson and Lakshmi from Germany trying to track down Dye. The 2 German and Kiwis worked incredibly well together through the late stages of the final leg. It was the American athlete trying to hold them off, but when they got out onto the run course, it would be the German taking full advantage of the crowd. The gold medalist, Jan Frodeno, showing a lot of emotion as Germany would, for the first time ever, claim gold at the World Team Relay. What a brilliant race. Look at the energy and the emotion as the Germans claim victory at home. It'll be the Kiwis in 2nd place. Ryan Sisson's doing a great job along with Dodds, McElroy, and Andrea Hewitt. And the United States would come in 3rd with a big performance by Cameron Dye, Ben Canute, and the veterans from the American team, Gwen Jorgensen, and of course, Sarah Gruff. But all smiles for the Germans winning at home.
Oh, it's amazing. You know, you're never used to racing as a team and cheering for your teammates and trying to get it all together, and you know, everybody gives everything, and that includes the support, and that's why people grow over themselves, is because, you know, you push each other as a team.